let us start most important concepts related to triangle. In a triangle, we know that there are three sides. I assume these three sides as lines. Here in this figure, sides are AB, BC and AC. I assume these sides as lines AB, AC and BC. My question is this: how many points are available which are equidistant from these three lines? There are 4 points which are equidistant from these lines AB, BC and AC. Starting this concept, we shall know about in center of a triangle. We know that in center of a triangle is the point of intersection of angle bisector. Means if here in this triangle ABC are the three vertices and three angles, then the bisector of angle A is here AD and bisector of angle B is BE and bisector of angle CE CF. The point of intersection is this. It is denoted by I. This point is called in center of a triangle. This in center is equidistant from all the three sides AB, BC and AC. When we draw perpendicular from this point on BC, AC and AB, their perpendicular is IM, IN and IO. If we draw a circle taking the radius this IM, IN and IO, then this circle is known as in circle and this perpendicular distance is called in radius. It is denoted by a small r. Another, there are 3 points which are equidistant from these three lines AB, BC and AC. Here is my concept. These 3 points are called excenters. Excenters. Here excenter EA, here excenter EB, E2, E1, E2 and here E3. If we join E1 to I and E2 to I and E3 to I, then there are 3 triangle forms. For this triangle E1, I, E3, this point E2 is orthocenter of this triangle E1, I, E3. If we take this triangle E3, E2, I, then this point is orthocenter of this triangle. If we take this point and triangle is this E1, E2, I, then this is orthocenter of this triangle. And for larger triangle, this in center is known as orthocenter of E1, E2, E3. So this system is known as orthocentric system. In next class, I shall discuss some important special property of this. Thank you. Have a nice day.